laughing with friends by the wide blue sea. Dreams in their eyes, voices pure and clear, carrying hope from year to year. Children of tomorrow, singing in the light, building up a future where the world feels right. Hands joined together, stronger as they grow. Children of tomorrow, teaching what we know. A little girl paints with colors bold, stories of peace in pictures she told. A boy plants seeds in the fertile ground. Smiles and songs are the gifts he found. Children of tomorrow,